Nawa ama-highlights wegemu i-Sundowns versus i-Galaxy. I-Sundowns ithole i-penalty, poor marking from uZindonga we-Galaxy, washaya phakathi ku-Leon Bafowethu. A great penalty from yena umdlali one-confidence engi-expect-e ukuthi ashaye amagoli amaningi. But i-Sundowns kule game leyo, they were not that convincing. I think i-Galaxy bekumele ikwazi ukubaphanisha ukuthi amanye ama-opportunities angikwazanga ukuwaklipha lana. Siqhubekeni sibukela ama-highlights bafethu ukuthi ahambe kanjani. Lana sobona i-second goal iya-equalizer i-Galaxy from i-mistake yakalobani uNuno Santos, kushaya phakathi uVictor Litswalo. Sikhumbule ukuthi uVictor Litswalo ne or Lentswalo, ngiyaxolisa ukubiza kabi igama lakhe. Ukore 2 goals, uye-ke othole i-man of the match. uRonwen Williams disappointing lana, akawazanga ukuvula noma ngithi ukuvala ilokhunjani engeli. Bekubonakala ngathi iGalaxy bafethu iyayiwina igame, uVictor futhi walishaya phakathi. Ayi, poor defense from i-Sundowns, bafuna ukudlala futhi i-offside trap. Hhayi, debatable, kumele ngilibheke kahle ukuthi i-offside or akusiyo i-offside, but-ke poor again from i-Sundowns. A good cross from laphana uMvelase, uVictor walishaya phakathi. But-ke azange kuphele lapho. Ubani Mkhuliso Mudau bafethu, ubheka uposition e-right, wabhitha nje i-defender lana ngokutrapha kahle, waliskwera, walizama ukuvimba u-goalkeeper, but i-deflection kwaba yi-2-2 ngama-last minute. Look at this nje, Mkhuliso Mudau, a good assist. Wakwazi ukulishaya we-Sundowns, but kwaba i-deflection, a goal. Shout out to Khuliso Mudau bafethu ngokunga-give up, ngoku-creator, ngokuba i-player important for i-Sundowns. Akagcinanga-ke lapho bafethu uKhuliso Mudau, ubuyile futhi ekugcineni. Look at this assist again, faka shaya-ke umkhulisi. Ngagcina nini ukubona umkhulisi bafethu ekora, shaya igoli. But naku la ukwazile ukuzithola ku-position e-right. Sithemba ukuthi le goli lakhe lizomnika i-confidence heading to amanye ama-games, and uzokwazi ukuthola i-game time because for yena umkhulise i-game time i-limited.